Present perfect continuous tense for rideshare drivers. The present perfect continuous tense is a very useful and versatile tense in English that describes an action that began in the past and is still happening now or has just recently stopped. For rideshare drivers, this tense can be particularly handy when talking about their experiences and activities in the context of their job. Let's explore how this tense can be used by rideshare drivers with some illustrative examples. 1. I have been driving for Uber for 2 weeks. This sentence indicates that the action of driving for Uber started 2 weeks ago and is still ongoing. It shows the continuous nature of the job. 2. She has been picking up passengers all day. This example highlights the continuous action of picking up passengers throughout the day. It suggests that the driver has been actively working for an extended period of time. 3. We have been waiting at the airport for over an hour. In this case, the driver and perhaps their passengers have been at the airport for an hour, indicating the duration of their wait. 4. They have been driving in heavy traffic since morning. This sentence describes the ongoing action of driving in heavy traffic since the morning. It emphasizes the challenging nature of navigating through traffic. 5. He has been talking to passengers about local attractions for the past week. This example showcases the continuous activity of providing information about local attractions to passengers over the course of a week. I have been running low on gas for a while. This sentence conveys the ongoing situation of having low gas in the tank for some time, suggesting the driver needs to refuel soon. 7. The riders have been giving positive feedback on my service. This example shows the continuous action of receiving positive feedback from riders, indicating that the driver has consistently provided good service. In conclusion, the present perfect continuous tense is a valuable tool for rideshare drivers to communicate their experiences and activities effectively. By using this tense, drivers can convey the ongoing nature of their actions and experiences in a clear and concise manner. Practice using this tense with various examples to improve your English skills as a rideshare driver.